Hello everyone, Roban this side. After so many requests on Instagram, I'm starting a new YouTube channel, CILS. So without wasting a sec, let's start with my first video. The topic which I've chosen for the first video is IELTS Writing Task 2 Introduction. The question says, some people believe that robots will play an important role in future societies, while others say that robots might have negative effects. What is being asked? Discuss both views and give your opinion. As some of you might be aware that there are three parts in the introduction, that is hook, background statement and thesis. A hook is a general idea about the topic which you develop on your own. For example, the topic for today is about robots. You can form any simple line about the inventions of science. Then the second line in the introduction is the background statement. Background statement is the question statement itself. This one. You have to rewrite it, but by paraphrasing, which means you have to use antonyms, synonyms, or change the structure of the line. Then the third part is the thesis, which is the answer to the question. You have to answer this question in the third line. I have made a note over here which say that you don't need any quotes in your introduction. Also, there is no strict word limit. Students get confused on the day of exam that their introduction is just 35 words or 40 words. But let me clarify, there is no need of getting confused, as your introduction word limit highly depends on the question. It should be according to the question only. You will get more clarity when you look at my first introduction, which I have made for the students aiming for 6 bands. As mentioned about the hook, I have made a hook. Science has given many inventions and robot is one of them. Students, this is another myth that you need a hook in the introduction or not. In some of the institute it is strictly prohibited, but I will burst this myth also. As long as your band requirement is 6, you can write the hook in your introduction. There is no harm in writing it and you will not lose any band score. So after the hook, there is a background statement. You are going to paraphrase these lines. Some people believe, some people argue. Robots will play an important role. They will play an indispensable role. While others say, however, a comma after that, others content. They might have negative effects. They might have harmful consequences. Now the third line, the thesis statement. I am answering this question, discuss both views and give your opinion. I will discuss both views and state my opinion. Now this introduction is simply written for the students aiming for 6 bands. I have just paraphrased some of the words and rest of the words are similar. Now upgrading this introduction for the students aiming for 6.5. I am going to skip the hook over here. The reason being, for 6.5 you have to show that you are good at paraphrasing. So I am starting with the background statement. Some people argue. I am changing to its passive voice. It is argued by some. They will play an indispensable role. I have used another word. They will play a paramount role. However, others contend, however others believe, they might have harmful consequences. They might give detrimental results. Detrimental is also similar word for harmful. So not much changes, but there is a huge difference in the thesis, because now I am clearly expressing my opinion. What I have written, in my perspective, they are highly worthwhile. This is exactly asked in the question. Discuss, post views and give your opinion. I have written both the views and I have written my opinion. Now moving forward to the band requirement of 7 or 7 plus. Look at the changes very carefully. Now I am going to change the structure of the line. It is argued by some, according to some people. I have shifted it to the end. Roberts will play a paramount role. The role of Roberts will be paramount in the coming years, in futures, in the coming years, according to some people. Now instead of using a full stop and starting a new line, I am using a comma and I am going to combine the second line also. Students, this is another way of paraphrasing, when you combine two sentences and make a complex sentence. So after using a comma, I have used whereas. Others believe, others assert. They might give detrimental results. So I have simply written, they could be detrimental. Look at my thesis statement. Look at the position of in my perspective. You can use in my perspective in the middle of the sentence also. After your subject, you have to use a comma before in my perspective and after that. So my thesis is, these gadgets in my perspective can work wonders. Work wonders means they are highly worthwhile, they are beneficial. But I have given another statement that it is beneficial, it can work wonders if we use it cautiously, which means carefully. So students, that's it for my first video. Hope you have got an idea and you will start practicing according to your band requirements. Do tell me in the comments how you like the video, and I am adding the Facebook and Instagram page links in the description. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you very much.